We haven't made a video in a while. We've got a lot going on, but this is the progress on the garage so far. It is huge. Got concrete walls there. This will be a 2-car stall right here, 4-foot wall in the middle, and then a 1-car stall. So we have a door that we found in our basement that was original to the house that Katie is refinishing. We're going to use that here. And then we found some 100-year-old reclaimed historical windows that we're going to put right here. We have, 9 of them? 9. So we have 9. We think we're going to try to put at least 3 here, maybe 4. The walls will be 9 feet tall. We don't know if we're going to be able to have any over here. We want to try, at least have one over there. So this is also a window that we're going to replace here. We have to replace the bottom sill. It's completely rotted out. We do have those 9 windows, so we're going to replace that window with one of them. These are the historic windows that we found. Paid $150 for all 9 sets of windows. They're from the 1920s. They're not exactly period correct to our house, but they are historic windows. They're beautiful. We're going to fix them, reglaze them. These as well. Some of them had some issues, but we're keeping them out of a landfill and we're going to use them, and they're going to last another 100 years. That is our goal. They're beautiful windows. Came with the windows, the storm window frames. This is what we use to transport them, and also all of the weights, -2. We had to find 2 weights. Came with those, as well as the sash cord rollers. They're somewhere around here. I'm not sure where we put them, but we have those as well. So this is what we used to transport them. We didn't want to break them, so we took 2 loads in my dad's old truck, and we got them here. They're all here safe and sound. I think only 1 or 2 windows aren't wavy glass. So they've clearly been, and it's over here, all of these have wavy glass. So it's 1 or 2 have been broken sometime in the recent past, and you have the normal glass in them, but the wavy glass is all in these. So we're very excited to use these. So one of these is not like the other. Boop. The spindle is flipped. We found out that the old timers used to do this in old buildings, for good luck. So they usually happens on the stair spindles. Our spindles, we don't have spindles on our stairs that could be flipped like this. So back here on the back of the house, this one was flipped. So here on these spindles, we kept with the tradition. So we have 1 spindle flipped for good luck. And we just thought it was really cool and historically accurate. So this is the progress on the porch. Don't mind the Jurassic Park ferns over here. Finally got some steps. Getting the concrete cut out so we can put the bricks in like we wanted to. The Trex deck is put down. The front isn't put down yet because we have to put our bricks here. Same thing with what are these called? The railings. The handrails. We've been waiting to put those on for that. We still need the lattice put in down here. But our spindles, our railing, everything's put up. I mean, it looks incredible. Really happy with the way this turned out.
The picture frame.
So we have to fix some rot right here on the corner and over here. So that's why these 2 columns aren't back in. So one goes here, and the bottoms of them need a little bit of work too. So Trex deck looks awesome. Attention to detail stuff. Really awesome.
So the height of the boxes is about 31 inches. And then we put smart siding trim to create kind of a picture frame with the beadboard. And then the handrail is about 29 inches. We don't have to have it any higher because the distance from the floor to the deck is going to be less than 30 inches. In Minnesota, if it's 30 inches or less. So we're going to backfill. So we were able to keep with the lower handrail. And each one is spaced almost about 4 inches, like 3 inches and 15/16 apart.
Katie spray painted the footings and the posts. We're gonna have white lattice that covers all of this, so it's kind of shadowed so you won't be able to see it, which will be very nice. And it's not the cross lattice, it's the squared lattice. And our idea behind that is to match that lattice at the top of the house. And the windows, everything is horizontal and not diagonal. That was our kind of our thinking behind that. So, but this is the progress. We know we haven't posted a whole lot. We've had a lot going on. We'll try to post a little more regularly. There's not a whole lot to update on the inside. We've been focusing on this and the garage. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned. Hi, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
We got your chair sitting out here. You got to get better so you can come sit out here and enjoy this view with us.
Drink a pot of coffee with me.
Yeah, you got to get better, Mom. We love you.
Love you.